Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to discuss how I installed my Dolphin reversing camera and also disabled using a switch the annoying reversing warning beep that's fitted to these several vans. Okay, the first thing we need to do is identify the cable we need to break into to wire the switch so we can disable the reversing beeper. It's a three-way connector. It's normally attached to the inside of the body where the lamp cluster is. It's normally on the offside, UK offside, and it's noticeable because it's a three-way connector, but it's only got two cables coming out of it, and we need to break into the white and red cable, and that's the one we're going to use for a switch at the front of the van beeper. It's quite neat. It's quite easy to take that panel off of the existing switches in. There's plenty of space behind, and the actual LED will be illuminated when the vehicle's in reverse, but because it's in the off position you won't get any warning beeper coming out of the van. So this is the reversing camera fitted in the van. It is quite an easy fit. It replaces the existing high level brake light. You can just about see on here it's got two lenses. One of them faces down for when you're reversing. The other one's a more rearward facing camera, which is on all the time, and that works like a rear view mirror in the cab. This is actually the screen that came with the Dolphin unit mounted in the vehicle. I bought a generic rear view mirror mount which fits on the existing mount that's mounted on the windscreen. As you can see, that's in a normal rear view mode at the moment because I'm not in reverse, but as soon as I put it into reverse it will switch over into the other camera. The beeping you can hear is existing reversing sensors in the bumper. Fortunately it works quite well because it's actually tied in quite nicely to the distances with those. I'm quite up against my garage door at the moment, so that's why it's beeping at the moment. Yeah, a lot of people get confused on how to wire those little round switches up that have the LED in them. It's really easy. The two silver contacts of the actual switch itself and the brass coloured contact is generally for the ground for the LED. So as soon as the switch is on, that makes the LED illuminate. You can't really go wrong with that, and if you find that the switch isn't working, just reverse the two wires that go to the silver contacts and then the LED will come on and it will switch when it's in the down position. It's normally up for off on those, and particularly that one there with the symbol on there. I got the switch from Dolphin as well. Well, hopefully you found this video useful. I've just tried to cover in greater depth some of the bits and pieces I discussed in the previous video, so just a bit of a bonus really. I'm going to put the links to the products discussed in a description. Although they are an Amazon affiliate set of links, it just means I will just get a bit of a kickback if anybody buys anything through them. It won't actually cost you any extra money. It just helps support the channel going forward. And that's it really, so thanks ever so much for joining me again.